If you're someone who doesn't like settling for anything less than perfect, Chamberlain Place, Birmingham is the place for you. Nestled in Corporation Street, take your pick from a selection of studios and ensuite apartments, thoughtfully designed and carefully furnished, keeping in mind individual needs. Whether you prefer the luxury of having an entire studio to yourself or the perfect blend of independence and camaraderie in an ensuite apartment, Chamberlain Place has you covered. But that's not all. Unwind in the communal lounge after a tiring day at uni, or enhance your academic prowess in the dedicated study room. What's more, a cinema room and garden lounge provide that extra touch of luxury, taking your stay to an unparalleled level of opulence. Plus, utility bills are included in the rent, making your stay not just perfect, but super economical too. Talking of location, BPP University and Birmingham City University are just a pleasant stroll away. On weekends, explore Birmingham's rich dining scene with Hotel du Vin or San Carlo, the culinary preparations of which are sure to entice your taste buds. Or head to Symphony Hall to have an evening to remember. So what's holding you back from experiencing what an idyllic student life feels like? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Chamberlain Place, the master of all stays in Birmingham.